I have my little air conditioner installed in a 2-bedroom camper. I built a little shelf over it because of my cat. I didn't want her to damage it. The ductwork that comes out, and I had to wrap it. This is the window. I try to seal it as much as possible. The air that comes out is forceful, and there was a lot of heat from the southern sun when it shone in that pipe, and you could just feel it emanating off of it. So I wrapped it in pieces of a comforter, and it's so humid where I am. I don't know if you can see it, but I drilled a hole in the floor and run the tubing for it to drain, because we were getting a lot of rain and it was very humid, and I was having to empty it. I just used a carpet cleaner in the back to suck up the water, because it was not, this is the best place for it. I hope this helps.
And yet it creeps up as the day goes on.